नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is Arnica Montana Medicine, Part 1, Ancient History. The history of Arnica harkens back the early 16th century as a popular German folk remedy. It was used to treat blunt injuries, bruising, inflammation, and skin lesions. Even the Shakespeare of Germany, Goethe, appreciated the benefits of arnica. It is said that he regularly brewed arnica tea to help recover from a heart attack. His health eventually improved with credit in part to arnica. Blooming arnica images, dried arnica image, common name leopard's bane. It is specially suited to case when any injury, however remote, seems to have caused the present trouble. After traumatic injuries, overuse of any organ strains, arnica is disposed to cerebral congestion, act best in plethoric, feebly in debilitated with impoverished blood, cardiac dropsy with dyspnea, a muscular tonic, traumatism of grief, remorse, or sudden realization of financial loss, limbs and body ache as if beaten, joints as if sprained, bad feels to heart, marked effect on the blood, affects the venous system, inducing stasis, ecchymosis and hemorrhage, relaxed blood vessels, black and blue spots, tendency to hemorrhage and low fever states, tendency to tissue degeneration, septic conditions, abscess that do not mature, sore, lame, bruised feeling, neuralgias originating in disturbances of pneumogastric rheumatism of muscular and tendinous tissue, especially of back and shoulders, aversion to tobacco, influenza, thrombosis, hematocele, mind symptom, fears, touch, or the approach of anyone unconscious when spoken to answers correctly, but relapses, indifference, inability to perform continuous active work, morose, delirious, nervous, cannot bear pain, whole body oversensitive, says there is nothing the matter with him, wants to be let alone, agoraphobia after mental strain or shock, face symptoms sunken, very red, heat in lips, herpes in face, nose symptom bleeding after every fit of coughing, dark fluid blood, nose feel sore, cold, ear symptom, noises in ear caused by rush of blood to the head, shooting in and around ears, blood from ears, dullness of hearing after concussion, pain in cartilage of ears as if bruised, mouth symptom, fetid breath, dry and crusty, bitter taste, taste as from bad eggs, soreness of gums after teeth extraction, empyema of maxillary sinus, stomach longing for vinegar, distaste for milk and meat, canine hunger, vomiting of blood, pain in stomach during eating, repletion with loathing, oppressive gases pass upward and downward, pressure as from a stone, feeling as if stomach were passing against spine, fetid, vomiting, This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.